Hello guys, welcome to my channel macOS Engineering Informations. So it does not matter if you are beginning programmer, still in high school or college level or well into your career in development. So today's video topic is all about competitive programming. In any websites, today's world, we have multiple websites to improve our coding skills. Okay, so this video is all about this type of things, and now is great time to get into competitive programming. But just what is it and how do you get started? So okay, let's start. What is competitive programming? Competitive programming involves programmers competing against each other to solve programming questions in a limited amount of time. These events are usually held over the internet or a local network. The contests of the events are known as sport programmers. Contestants solve logical or mathematical programming questions in the coding language of their choice, like Java, Python, C, and etc. The number of questions can vary depending on the contest. Okay. The results are judged on the number of questions solved, time spent solving the problem, and other factors like execution time, time complexity, program size, and space complexity, etc. So, benefit of competitive programming. There are many benefits to programming and participating in this type of contest, especially if programming is your career. First is prizes. Most competitive programming contests have prizes. These prizes can be in the form of cash, software, hardware, free services, and more. There have been some sport programmers who had so much success competing in coding contests that they turned into a career. The next is technical interview preparation. Many tech companies like Facebook, Google, and Amazon use the same type of questions in their technical interviews as those you will face in coding contest. While you may know how to write code, you may not be familiar with the algorithms and data structures that you must use to solve this type of problems. Competing in programming contest will give you the practice and confidence you need to make it through one of these interviews. Okay. Next is problem solving and programming skills. There are probably no better way to improve your problem solving and programming skills than by entering programming contest. During the contest, you will given the complex problems that you will have to solve in a limited time. Many of these problems are ones you may have never run into before. Solving them, you will improve your analytical thinking skills and teach you more about the programming languages you choose to complete with. And these are skills you can take with you in your career. How do I get started with competitive programming? Are you ready to get started? It will take some preparation, especially if you are new to programming, but the experience is rewarding and will definitely be worth it. So at first, learn a programming language. The first thing you need to do is learn how to program. There are many programming languages out of there to choose from, and many contests will allow you to choose any language you are comfortable. Still, you might want to choose a language that is commonly used in competitions such as C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Since your program's runtime may be a factor when it comes to winning a coding contest, you will want to choose a fast, low-level language that will give you your control you need to win its performance. Of all the languages in our list, Python is the slowest and may not be allowed in some contests, but it is a good choice for beginners because its syntax is easy to learn. Java is pretty quick and is supported by many libraries that add to your code, but it is more verbose than C or C++, so it may take longer to write a solution depending on the problem. Right, so learn data structure and algorithm. Our next one. So once you have learned the basics of your chosen programming language. It's time to study the data structure and algorithm. Choosing the right data structure can make the difference between the brute force solution and elegant one. Some of the common data structure you may end up using to solve a context problem include array, list, stack, queue, tree, try, graph, hashing, and segment trees, like, and etc. Vector is also important in data structure because many students skip this topic in their interview preparation. So please focus in your study on data structure and algorithm. So algorithm are the logic you use to solve a problem. There are usually multiple ways to solve the same problem, but some algorithms are more efficient than others. Since winning the contest will depend on the time it takes for your solution to run and amount of memory it uses. You want to have a good knowledge of algorithm to know which one to apply to your problem. Some common algorithm types include sorting, recursion, dynamic programming, bit manipulation, searching, etc. To learn more about data structure and algorithm, you must need a basic fundamentals of these programming languages and DSM. Okay, so practice your skills. To put your knowledge of programming languages, the data structure and algorithm you need to practice. There are plenty of places online where you can solve the same type of problem as those you will run into in competitive programming. Try a few of these platforms. See which one you prefer. Many of sites that offer these coding challenges also hold their own coding contests. So participating will prepare you to handle the problems and become more familiar with their problems and platforms. We will explore some of these sites in the next section, and in the meanwhile there are some places where you can practice your competitive programming skills, right? So project builders, motorbike, etc. Enter programming competitions. Once you have participated your programming skills with the type of problems you will face in competitive programming, it's time to enter a programming competition. There are quite a few places you can compete. Some of these places will also allow you to sign up and take practice challenges like CodeChef, TopCoder, HackerDang, LeetCode, CodeForces, Google Coding Competition, and many of things. KubeCon. Okay, so learn more about programming. So at the end, competitive programming can be rewarding activity. Not only do you have the chance to win prize and stand out from your peers, but you also have to hone your problem solving and programming skills by putting them to a test. As a bonus, the skills learned by competing in this contest can make it easier for you to land a job that requires coding. Plus, it's easy to get started. But first, you need to learn to program. So, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, so also comment and share to everyone. Okay, so bye bye.